How to fix Roblox Error Code 2. Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 2 on your computer, step by step. This method is super easy and works for most users, so make sure to follow along carefully till the end. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Once it's open, click the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. That's your main menu. From the drop-down, scroll all the way down and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, look to the left sidebar and click on Privacy and Security. Now, find and click on Third-Party Cookies, and then select See All Site Data and Permissions. In the search bar at the top, type Roblox to quickly find all Roblox-related data. Once Roblox appears in the list, clear the site data or cache files associated with it. This will remove any corrupted files that might be causing the error. Now we'll do the same thing on your computer to make sure everything is clean. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %localappdata%, then click OK. Double-click on the temp folder. Inside, look for a folder named Roblox and delete it. This will completely clear out any leftover temporary Roblox files. Once you've cleared all the cache files, go ahead and restart your browser and Roblox. Now try launching the game again. In most cases, Roblox Error Code 2 should be gone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who play Roblox too.